how to add Outlook calendar to Google. So that is what I'm going to show you guys in this super quick and easy tutorial. So let's get into it. So the first thing that we need to do is to open our Outlook right here. And then once we open our Outlook, the next thing that we need to do is to go here on the top right corner of the screen and then click the settings icon. Once you do that, the next thing that we need to do is to click this calendar right here and then click shared calendars. Now, once you do that on the share a calendar, what we're going to do is to click this drop down box and then just choose the calendar that you want to share. So click that and then click share and then just add the email address of your Google account right here. Now, another way is to go here on the publish a calendar. So just choose the calendar right here and then choose the permission. So what we're going to do is to click can view all details. Once you do that, click publish. And then once you click publish, just scroll down until you see this ICS link. So what we're going to do is to copy this. So once you've copied the link, what we're going to do next is to go on our browser and open our Google Calendar. Once you open your Google Calendar, what we're going to do right here is to go on the left screen and then click the plus icon. Once you do that, just click this from URL. And then what we're going to do is to paste the URL that we have just copied earlier. So if you want to make the calendar publicly accessible, you can do that, but I will just leave it as it is. So I'm just going to click add calendar. And then once you do that, as you can see, the calendar has now been created right here. So if you made some certain changes in your Outlook calendar, once you go here on your Google Calendar, it will also be updated. So that is basically it. That is how to add Outlook calendar to Google.